In this video, I'm going to factor a special mathematical expression, which is x minus 10 times square root of x plus 16. As it is, it's kind of hard to factor it. However, we have a special trick that we could use called substitution to factor it. The way we do it, basically take this expression and convert it into something that we are familiar with, which is like a trinomial. So convert it into a trinomial, and then we know how to factor a trinomial. Then we can factor it and then put back the x value, or the substitution that we made, we put the corresponding value back. So let's go ahead and do the following. Let's make the assumption that u is equal to square root of x. Now if I square both sides of this equation, so this is my first one, this is u. If I square it, it's going to be u square is equal to square root of x whole square, which by the way tells me u square is equal to just x. Why? Square and square root are gonna cancel out. Now I'm gonna plug in this u square for x and u for square root of x. If I did that, I get u square. So let's look at this. U square minus 10 times u, then plus 16, because square root of x is u, so 10 times u. Now this is something, however, we can easily factor. 16, this is rather quite easy to factor, so it's going to be u square minus 2u minus 8u plus 16. Now in the first group, so let's create a group here. This is one group and this is another group. In the first group, I can factor a u out. That's going to give me u minus 2. In the second group, I could factor out a negative 8. That's going to give me u minus 2. Now note that I have u minus 2 and u minus 2 common in both the terms, so I could factor out u minus 2. And then in the first term, I'm going to be left with just u, this u, and in the second term I'm left with negative 8. So that's what it is. Now please note that there is no u actually in this problem. We just made it up, right? So we need to put back whatever the actual value for u is. U is square root of x, so square root of x, then minus 2. So for this u I put square root of x. Now for this u I'm going to put square root of x and then minus 8. So this thing, if we factor it, we are going to get square root of x minus 2 times square root of x minus 8. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.